Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not tuning in for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. So I've been saying flat twists for a while now for protective style for natural hair. So today I decided that I was going to try it. So this is my first try of flat twists. My hair is dirty, it's due for treatment, but I don't want to comb it, so I decided to do this protective style. Depending on when I will just have to, lose it and then have my hair treated. So this is how I did it, guys. So I wanted a half pattern at least. And let me mention, my friend was very helpful during this process. She engaged me with conversation, so I wouldn't feel bored. Okay, so this is me now. I've cut it out. Now the lines are not straight because I did it myself. So this is it. Just watch closely, pay attention, and you will notice that I made use of my left hand. So my left hand was doing the work, the index finger. So the index finger pushes the hair, then it's it's the index finger that does the cutting of the hair. There are two ways of making it. If you are doing it to the right hand side, then your right index finger does the pushing of the hair. That's the cutting of the hair, more like a stitch kind of cutting. So this is, guys, just watch closely. I had to slow this video for a while for you to see how it's really twisting. So guys, do not forget to like, to subscribe and share my video. Turn off your post notifications so you get notified each time I drop a video. So this is it, guys. It's not difficult as I actually thought it would be. It's actually easy and it's busy. Just your nails running through it, your index nail pushing it into it, taking it with your other fingers. So this is it, guys. It's me making my flat twist for the first time. I'm so proud of the outcome. Okay, yeah. okay, at this point my hand was already hurting. It's already paining me. You know, making your hair by yourself is not easy at all. I was already feeling pains, so this is the last one remaining. It's the same process actually. Okay. Please guys, please like, subscribe, share my videos. I'll be posting more of this, more of protective style for natural hair. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, this is the result of what I have. I'm done with my hair. I'm so proud of myself because this is my first trial. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Look at the outcome. Thank you for watching once more. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.